Okay, see, that didn't take too long. Okay, I got my rice all done, right here, still steaming. I'm going to cut this onion. Let's see, I want the root in. Get rid of this. Okay. Peel this puppy. That. I'm going to go. Put that right in there with the rice. Okay, we'll do the same thing with this one. So that's one like about, I don't know, small to medium size, medium small onion. One box of rice-a-roni. The Spanish or Mexican one, not the Spanish one. And one large chicken breast. The chicken breast was brought to a boil, cooked for, I don't know, 2 to 4 minutes, shut off and left covered until it cooled, and then I put it in the refrigerator and left it overnight. Still in the water. I didn't take it out of the water. Okay. There we go. Now, get these onions all mixed up with this rice. The hot rice will kind of soften the onions a bit. It's not like they're not going to get soft in the oven. Ooh, that's strong onions, man. Okay. Now we got our chicken here. Dump that right in there. And because we cut that chicken against the grain, it's going to break up in there. And you won't have big hunks of chicken, you'll just have good chicken flavor. I have a secret ingredient here. It was my mom's secret ingredient, actually. And I'm going to add that. Okay. Looks pretty good. Not bad. But it does need a little salt. And I'm not sure where the salt went. I lost it. Anyway, we're going to add some salt and some pepper. Onion powder. That's pretty much to your taste. And since we didn't mince any garlic because I don't like the minced garlic in there because it doesn't soften. I don't know what happened to my salt. Well, shit. Okay. Well, let me see. I know I had it here. Oh, there we go. I do that because I can't see it when it goes in, so I'm going to mix this up nicely. And now my mom's secret ingredient. This is what she used on, put in her flour and everything for fried chicken. Poultry seasoning. She used Spice Island, but I'm sorry, I can't afford it. I use the $1 bottle of Spice Classics, I guess. Still good. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. You see how that chicken breaks up? Oh man, it's going to be good shit. Tell you what. I can't remember that guy's name, but I really liked him. The Cajun. I like Paul Perdone, I think is his name too. Another good one. Okay, now we're gonna a little bit of Tapatio. Just give it a little bit of bite. Okay. Yep, sirree, Bob. All right. Now, just put this right down like that. Alrighty, that's it, just like that. We put a lid on it, we put it in the refrigerator. And I will make enchiladas tomorrow. And that's when I'll add the cheese, well, you'll see. I don't want to give it away. But they're very, very good. I normally only make green sauced enchiladas. But this virus thing and all that, all the green sauce was gone, and I really wanted enchiladas, so we got red sauce. I guess it's your choice which one you use. They're both pretty much the same. It's just I'm not really fond of tomato-y anything. So, but anyway, I'll be back tomorrow and we'll make enchiladas. I'll show you how to make the shells, how to roll them, stuff them in the pan, cheese them up, sauce them up, all that good stuff. And then I'll show you me eating them. Till tomorrow.